Hi, this is Eric, and this is my class 2 rig, and I'm gonna show you what I did with the cars over the time. Twitching it, making some mods, updating it, um, just to make it perform better, electronic wise and mechanical wise. So let's get it started. If you could remember this car, I mean the body doesn't have any stickers before during the first few videos, but now it has a lot of it, and had new wheels and tires put on. I was using the Super Swamper before. It I use this depending on the terrain, and this is a much lighter tire, so I use this in mud and moist area of crawling. And with the TTC, I use it for rocks and dry surfaces, and it's a bit heavier compared to this set of wheels and tires. So let's get on to it. So let's just take off the body. Here she is. Compared to what it was before, it was a bit higher, but now it's like 4 to 5 inches below the ground, or maybe less, because I lowered it to have the center of gravity really good, because it was tilting on one side before, but now I fixed it by lowering it to the ground more, and I am using the version 3 of the chassis, which has the lower center of gravity compared to the original one, which is this one. As you can see, that's the height of the chassis rail, and it is a bit lower. So the bent where the transmission sits. So that's the frame and suspension, having it lowered. I'm using the big bore shocks from Traxxas, the extra long ones, and I just, with this kind of body, I got this one from 110crawlers.com.au, and the problem with this is it doesn't have enough mounting points for a longer shock, and these shocks are really good. So what I did was just put an extension of it, making it lie down and having it lowered down to the ground, as you could see. And okay, that would be with the frame, and with the drive shaft, I got the metal ones in front to give it a bit of front load or weight, and in the rear I still use the plastic ones, which is holding up pretty good. Well, they were saying that it won't, but it's still holding up pretty good, and it gives a lesser weight at the back, giving more weight in front, so that's kinda good. And as you could see, this is my BR Mini ESC, just not even mounted. It's just soldered and just floating to well, it reduces footprint and it reduces weight anyway. And this one, I'm not really sure with this motor, but the local hobby shop carries it, so just supporting the local hobby shop. And as you can see, all of the electronic are shrink tubed clear so that I could see if there's any dirt on them, and it gives them a cleaner look, if you will see. And this is the BEC, which I removed the cover to shorten the wire, because I cut the wire to suit just enough wire to have everything connected, and it gives it a cleaner look. And also the receiver is shrink tubed so that it would have a smaller footprint and lesser weight. And I did the XR10 steering mode, which doesn't, this one has the 5 tubes, which doesn't extend the whole wheelbase, but gives you the same wheelbase as the original one, so that's pretty good. I got the smash plate from Hoekstra Engineering, which lowers the center of gravity of the steering servo. So the steering servo is just right there, sitting pretty. Alright, with the suspension, I got a semi-droop. I got the left shockers, rear shockers, weighted to 50 weight with the oil and everything. The 50 in the left rear and 40 in the right rear and 35s in front. That gives you lesser torque twist during incline situations. And this is my battery mounting point, so everything is weighted in front. And that's about it. I got the Vanquish titanium ones in the back, and yeah, and I made the links in front, the upper and the lower links, and the top rear shocks links. So that's about everything. Oh, the diff lockers are GCM, I think it is, it's from Canada. They make all this aluminum parts like lockers and stuff. So yeah, it keeps the weight down and it locks all the axles. So I guess that would be all. Hopefully I can make some videos, and yeah, that's about it. See you next time. Thanks for watching.